basically, you guys know I'm coming up on my 1 year with you. On the 11th is when I joined, so I'm just under 1 year. But I've been in here time in, day out, and making profits, making losses, give and take. But I just wanted to thank you for everything because a couple of months back I had chimed in and told you, you're changing everyone's lives and you've made a significant impact in mine because 2 years ago, you know this, I was homeless, I was going through this, that whole bunch of stuff. And a couple of months ago, I was finally able to buy a ring as a result of the profits I've made because I've been here with you. And I'm posting it in the membership lounge, but I actually finally, popped a question this weekend, and she said yes. And I'm blown away because this is because of you. This is because of the group. On the days that I had doubts and I was down and out and couldn't come up with the money because I make like 20,000 a year. So seeing you, make 70K in a day just blew my mind. But to actually have accomplished this as a result of being here and being in every day with you guys, I wanted to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart because this literally would not have happened without you. And I'm working my way back towards getting that VIP membership, and I haven't set a date and everything, but you better expect to get an invitation to it, Coach. Thank you so much for literally changing my life.